I'm Gary Dill. This is video number 16 of my Jeet Kune training series. Now, like I told you before, those of you who don't know, been in Jeet Kune for 52 years, and I'm one of the original students from the Oakland Jeet Kune School. I'm also the chief instructor and founder of the Jeet Kune Association. Now, I spent many years in law enforcement and in the military, and I have had several opportunities to use Jeet Kune in actual combat. There's one thing I want to pass on to you tonight. Just because you hit somebody doesn't mean you're going to drop it. You cannot depend on pain compliance to take out your opponent, because take it from me, when you're in the heat of combat, when you get hit or kicked, you don't feel it that much. It doesn't stop you. It never did me. The only way you're going to stop your opponent is to break bones, dislocate joints, strike eyes, nerve centers. That's going to drop him quick, and that's what you want. Now, in Oakland, one of the big things that we would work on is countering blocks. Because I don't care how good you are, how many black belts you got wrapped around your belly, there's times when you're going to get blocked. Just a fact of combat life. So what are you going to do when you do get blocked? Well, in Jeet Kune, you don't stop your attack. You keep it going. You keep the flow. You know, keep hearing about the flow in Jeet Kune, be like water. These techniques here are a good example of that. So when you do get blocked, you just like the water, you just keep flowing. So here's an example of what I'm talking about. Come on up here. This is Aaron Grant. He's going to be my substitute training partner for tonight. My other two are on sabbatical. Okay, get in the stance. All right, so I want to come low and get those ribs. So I'm going to come in from here. I'm going to step in. See that? Get that in there. Boom, get it. Here, here. Okay, you can even throw a backhand. But you got a strike coming. But he's going to come in and he's going to block you down. You see that? A little more sweep there. Look at that. Now see where he's taking me? See where that fist is coming up? Okay, so if he sweeps, don't do this, come back. Take it. All he is doing is he's not stopping me with this block, he is just redirecting my attack. Instead of coming in straight, I'm coming in now circular. So I'm here, boom, boom. Got that? See that? See that flow? Get that flow going. Get that flow going. Okay, now you're going to pin the elbow. Come in here, pin the elbow and hit him. Now this arm is immobilized while you break his face. So I'm here, boom, boom. Slow motion on that. Here, see that? Pin, and this comes up. These two hands move at the same time. Here, boom. See that? Move at the same time. Now, let's do it quick. Boom. Just like that. Now, I'm not grabbing that arm. See that? I'm just immobilizing, pinning. I'm not doing a full scale grab. You don't want to get yourself tied down like that. So you're here, boom. See that? See how I'm pushing that in? Here, boom, boom. Okay, now I'm coming in here. Block, there you go. Now I'm coming up here. Now I'm gonna drop my right arm down and transfer. Boom, see that? Get the left out of the way, the right comes in. See that? But if this comes down, your left comes up, and you're going to hit that jaw again and break it even more. So I'm here, here, and here. See, I keep that arm immobilized the whole time. I'm whooping up on him. Here, to here, to here. So I've got that elbow up. Try to hide the elbow up. If he tries to hit, see that? It's going to be a blockade. It'll be hard for him to get through. Oh, he does try. Well, I'm not going to go any farther than that. We'll just keep going. No, I won't do that. So I'm coming in from here. Here, pin and hit, pin and hit. Yeah. Okay, let's go full speed. All right, there you go, gents. Video number 16, counter against blocks. So I'll see you guys in 2 weeks.